What's up guys, so we're back here on Bittoken. Okay, so recently I actually made a video about the Bittoken app and actually explaining process on how you can make money for totally free on this app. Okay, and this particular video is actually an update to that video, as in this video we'll be talking about how you can complete the Bittoken KYC if you have not done it. Okay, so I have not also done mine. So if you're on this update, by now your RP balance should have been converted to BTT, that is the Bittoken itself. Okay, and you can actually trade this token in the P2P section. You can trade it for USDT. Okay, but before we quickly do that, let's quickly run a recap on how you can basically in here. So I'll be dropping the link to the Bittoken app in the comment section down below, so you can click the link and actually create an account. Okay, so once you actually sign up, you get to earn I think about 30 RP per hour. And also, whenever you come right here to the in section, you can see different tasks that will actually give you more RP points. Okay, you have video tags like this, and for the video tags, I think after watching the video, to take you directly to the video you perform the tags on, and afterwards when you come back here, you'll be asked for a verification code. Okay, now to get the verification code for the video task, whenever you come to the comment section of that video, just scroll through the comment section and someone will drop the code for you. Okay, for example, but you can see a code right here for this particular video. This is how the codes are being dropped in the comment section. Okay, you don't need to actually watch the video to the end to get the code, but then you need to actually wait for some minutes before you can actually input the verification code and mark as complete. Okay, so that's how you can easily perform the video task. Then you also earn 1000 RP per ads you watch. Okay, and now if you come to the special right here, if you scroll down, the Bittoken app is currently in Play Store. Okay, so you can actually click right here and it will take you directly to the Bittoken app on Play Store. You can install it into your device so that you can actually use it. So right now the Bittoken app is on Play Store, guys, and once you actually perform this task, you get 1000 RP. Okay, so these are the tasks you perform to actually earn the RP point, and every 16th of every month your RP will be converted to BTT. Okay, now this BTT you can actually sell them off for USDT right here in the P2P section. Okay, now let's talk about how you can perform the KYC. Now to perform your KYC, you need about 1 USDT to perform it. Okay, and to actually deposit that, you click on the deposit button right here, and recently you could actually deposit about 1 USDT, but right now the minimum deposit amount has actually increased to 10 USDT. Okay, so this is a BEP20 wallet address. You copy it and you actually make your deposit. Okay, now that side is not a financial advice, but for you to be able to, withdraw your BTT tokens, you need to actually complete the KYC. All right, and this particular project has been ongoing for over 5 months now, and a lot of people have actually made money from it. Okay, so that's why I actually talked about it. Now once you make your deposit, you come here to the BTT staking. Once you click on it, it will bring up the 1 USDT stuff. You just click on it. 1 USDT will be withdrawn from your balance right here. Okay, so I also forgot that you can also use your remaining USDT balance to boost your earning. Okay, whenever you come right here to booster, you're going to see the buy bot my now option right here, where you can actually spend from 1 USDT and above to actually get a bot that will actually be mining more RP points for you. Okay, now the RP points, like I said earlier, will be converted to BTT for you on the 16th of every month. Okay, so now let's perform the KYC. I'm going to click on the start verification button right here. Then it will bring us right here to the verification page, so click on continue button here. So right here, you'll be asked your verification document depending on the country you're from. Okay, so you can use any of the options right here depending on the ones you have. So we have to actually upload our document. Okay, so I'll click on this take photo to actually snap my ID. After a couple of days, I was able to complete my KYC because the document I uploaded previously was a bit blurry, so I had to get another one. But immediately I uploaded it, it was verified immediately. Okay, so if I click on the P2P right here, you can see it says KYC approved. All right, so I'm going to click on the start P2P trading right here, and so this is the P2P. So let's see how much 558 BTT token is going to be selling right here. Okay, I'm not actually selling right now, but I just want to check out the price. So if we come to the sell side here, these are the current offers or the current ads in the sell section. So if you want to sell your BTT, can check it out here. So this particular merchant has about 33 BTT to sell. This guy has about 186 BTT to sell. Okay, so this guy has about 558. So I could sell everything to this guy, and this is his rate. Okay, so basically the prices actually change from time to time. So I think in about 2 weeks of mining the RP tokens, I was able to accumulate 558 BTT, and this is the amount I could actually sell it for. And mind you, I did that first mining for free. So right now I have a bot that is currently mining for me to actually make it faster so I can earn more before the next month conversion. Okay, so coming back here, if you want to sell, you can sell to any of the merchants right here. Okay, but then sometimes the prices actually change. Sometimes the prices increase, sometimes it reduce. You know, this is the P2P market and all that. Okay, so if you also come to the buy section, if you want to buy BTT, you can also do that here, and you can get to buy at almost the same price. Okay, so you can check out the P2P right here to actually sell your BTT if you want to sell it. And once you sell it, it will be converted to USDT, I think, and then you can withdraw your USDT directly to your wallet. Okay, so if you want to withdraw, you click on the withdrawal right here, and the minimum amount you can withdraw is 10 USDT. And because this is a new account, I think I had about 20 days of usage before I can actually withdraw. So I have about 6 more days left to be able to withdraw. So if you create a new account, you'll be given a number of days you have to wait before you make your first withdrawal. Okay, so I'm just going to wait for 6 days before I'll make a live withdrawal video from the app. I'll be selling my BTT tokens in the P2P section in that video, and I'll also make a live withdrawal. Okay, so that is how you can complete your verification. I hope you find that very helpful. And another thing I noticed right here, I don't know if there's a way I could get to the Bittoken team for them to actually make an explanation on why the rate keeps dropping. Okay, I think the rates have been dropping since I made the last video. It was around 0.00150 or so, and it has actually dropped rapidly. So we'll still make more inquiries on that, but you can actually mine for totally free on the app without actually doing much than performing the tasks that we have right here. Okay, and one more thing before I actually wrap it up, if you've been having issues with receiving OTP like me, whenever you try to log in, there's actually an hack for it. Okay, once you fill in your details this way and you click on the login button and the OTP seems to not be coming, what you do is to go to your Bittoken Telegram bot. Once you're here, you're going to click on the menu button here. You scroll down to where you have OTP in case the OTP is delaying. So you click on it and it will give you an OTP you can use immediately. Okay, so you just need to input the OTP and that's it. You'll be logged in successfully. All right, so I hope that is actually helpful, and I'll be seeing you guys on my next update. Have a nice day. Bye.